Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick home decor haul. I just want to share with you guys everything that I recently picked up. I went to affordable stores as I do on the regular, and I picked up some things to continue the everlasting journey of furnishing our new home. If you'd like to see what I picked up, then please keep watching. So one of the first things that I picked up is from Ross. I got this for $12.99 and you can't really see it. I think it's washing it out, but it basically has a list of all types of different wines such as Merlot and Moscato and Chardonnay, etc., etc. And I felt that while obviously it's not made of the best material, it is given an illusion that it looks more high-end than what it actually is. So I went ahead and picked up this, and I'm gonna put this in our breakfast nook. So from Office Depot, I picked up some command hooks, two different types. This one I picked up because it's big and thick and it holds 7.5 pounds of weight. And also I was inspired by the backpack back here. It's like a little demo or what have you. And so I want to go ahead and put this on the back of our coat closet downstairs, because that's actually where I house my purse of the day or of the week or whatever. I normally carry a bigger purse throughout the week for work, and then a smaller like weekend bag on the weekends, obviously. So anyway, I thought that this would be pretty fitting, and then I could just hang up my purse there instead of putting it up on the shelf, which is what I'm currently doing. I also picked up some smaller command hooks. So if you guys remember, we got our laundry room done over, and so I want to go ahead and put some of these inside of the pantry or the closet, and I want to be able to hang just various types of things, mainly to include like some microfiber towels. So I just always have those available to me whenever I'm cleaning upstairs. So from Home Goods, I picked up a number of things. One of them I'll put on the screen because oh girl is already using it and she's in pretty deep. And so we picked up a new bed. So now our pup has a bed downstairs and a bed upstairs. So what we were doing was just, bringing her one bed from one level to the next level. So now she has two beds, and the one upstairs actually really matches our aesthetic in our master bedroom, so that's a plus. And that was $24.99 from Home Goods. Speaking of oh girl, of course we bathe her and all of that good stuff, but she still is quite dirty, and I feel like I really learned my lesson, because for the first couple of weeks she was just kind of hanging out in our bed. Like sometimes she would get in our bed and that wasn't really a big deal to us, but she essentially ruined my comforter, and it's filthy, it's gross, stains are not coming out of it, and the stains are, it's just like dirty, it just looks really dirty and gross. And one of the main issues is that it's so thick that when I put it in our washer, even though our washer does hold, a larger amount, it's still not really quite working out because I can't get it clean like I would want to. So I went ahead and picked up a thinner comforter. Really, it's just like a blanket, and this is going to be much needed as we move into the warmer months here in Georgia anyway, but also it's still a light color, but I'm hoping that I can keep her off the bed. I mean, I don't care if she's like up there, I truly don't, but I really would prefer her to not be. But so I'm going to try to do that, but also I'm hoping that because this is thinner, that it will just go into the washing machine really easy, and the washer will be able to clean and do its whole thing. That's my hope. Anyhow, this is Eddie Bauer Home. It's hypoallergic. It's a king cotton blanket, and it was $39.99 from Home Goods. Also from Home Goods, we picked up this little canister. It says dog biscuits, and we have this because we want to put her treats in here. I've actually already gone ahead and put a few of her little treats in here. Mainly we use these to give her treats and for training purposes upstairs. So she already has one downstairs, it's bigger, and so this one will live upstairs, and we can just put it in our nightstands or something like that. This was $5.99 from Home Goods. From World Market, I picked up two of these splatter screens. They are hand wash only, and they were $4.99. This is pretty much the going rate for these whenever you go to like a more affordable store. Whenever I was looking on Amazon, I saw some on there, but it's really hard to buy like single items, I feel like. So if you want a single item, definitely consider this one. And I just went ahead and bought a big one because I wanted to be able to fit over a small pan or a larger pan. And then I just went ahead and bought two actually, because why not? Also though, I did go to Big Lots, which we'll talk about momentarily, and I did see splatter screens in there for $5, so you might consider those as well. But as far as I can see from the ones that I've been able to see and touch and feel, this one seems like it's going to be more effective, because some of them, they look more like strainers, and I feel like they function more like strainers, but this one is like a true screen. And it's, I feel like, gonna do its job. So first time using these, but, well, I'm not using them, but this will be my first time using these and I'm super excited about it. I feel like I really hit the jackpot at Five Below. If you're not aware, essentially everything in there is $5 or below. So I picked up this storage set, and it's a big container in the back, and then it has two smaller ones in the front, and this was $3.25. So y'all know I love organizing, so I will be using these in some drawers, I'm certain, or somewhere in the home. I picked up the clear one, and then I also picked up the black one. It's kind of like really like a stone gray, like a really dark gray, and it's kind of like a matte color, which I appreciate, so I'm gonna use these as well, and these were $3.25. I did just want to pick up one of each so I can see like exactly how I'm gonna use them. I really don't like just buying stuff if I don't really have a clear vision for it. I don't like to just have stuff just to have stuff, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I felt like this was a pretty good price, and they were aesthetically pleasing, and I just really liked them, so I did go ahead and pick up two of them. Also from Five Below, I picked up a folding step stool for $5. We used to have one of these, and then the person who was helping me like who hung our TVs and was helping me with my husband's man cave actually broke it. And so I bought another step stool, but I wanted a folding one. And when I saw this, I was like, that's a no-brainer, because I did buy the other one, but it's not a folding one, and this one is. So for $5, I felt like you couldn't beat it with a stick. I picked up these corner shelves, and they were $5. They're wooden. And I went ahead and bought two of them because I felt like that would be appropriate. I could put them in like different corners in the home. I don't really know where I'm gonna put these yet. I think they actually may go in the living room, and I may put plants on them just like what's shown in the picture here. Personally, I felt that even though this is only $5, I really truly felt like it was decent quality. So it does have like a little sheen or a little gloss, you can't really tell. But for the most part, I mean, I feel like this could have been a little bit more and I would have purchased it. Speaking of shelves, I did buy these acrylic ledges. They're 18 inches long. I bought two of them. This is how they're being used in the picture. Like, it's just like a little, it's like a shelf, a wannabe shelf. It's really just a ledge. And they have a picture up there, and then they have a little plant, and I don't really know exactly where I'm going to use these. Really, I'm thinking I want to use them in my home office in this room that we're in right now. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I did go ahead and pick up these, and they were $5 a piece. Not really home related, but kind of. I picked up this dog travel bowl from Five Below for $3, and it says future influencer. I felt like that was pretty appropriate, but I really like it. I really think it's cute. And this is gonna be for my pup, of course. Also, I picked up some multi-purpose gloves. I feel like this is appropriate with the current season that we're in, but also for cleaning and all of that. So this is a 20 pack. Picked up some little doggy toys. These were $3. They're just rubber chewy toys, and our dog is a chewer and she chews a lot. And they do make noises, well, the top one does. So this is probably gonna get on my nerves, but I did pick this up for my little pup. Got some waterless bath spray for $3. This is gonna be for my girl as well. And then the final thing that I got for my girl was these. I got some polished multi-purpose wipes for dogs in the scent Very Berry. Can't smell through the packaging, but I thought that the packaging was cute. And these are actually gonna live in our car, one of our cars, because we already have a pack that we use for the inside whenever we're trying to like clean her or wipe her down and such, and I just want to use these for travel. Last but not least, we have Amazon, of course, and so I picked up this little candle set. You have this little bell situation, which I believe is made to put out the flame. Then you have these little tweezers, which I feel like are supposed to be used for like maybe after you trim, these are trimmers, maybe after you trim the wick, which I find myself doing this all the time. I normally just use a regular pair of scissors, but I thought that this would be cute. So I'm gonna use this. It also, they all came in a little bag, and it also came with some kind of other tool. I don't really know what that tool is or what it's supposed to be used for, but it also comes with this little tray. And so I just sit all of my little tools on the tray, and then I just rest them on my table. Before I show you the last thing, I do have a dish set coming in the mail. I guess I could do a better review or further, or you know, an actual review of that whenever I actually get the dish set, but it is the Amazon Basics brand, and I landed on that particular set because I felt like the set was aesthetically pleasing. It was gonna do the job that I needed it to do, like heat evenly and all of that good stuff, and it was affordable, obviously. So I do have that coming, but last but not least, I purchased a table from Amazon, super affordable. It's not going to be the same brand as the table that I have behind me, but I think it's going to match really well. And this is the table that I have behind me. It once lived in the living room, but it's not gonna live in the living room anymore. It lives in my home office. And so I'm gonna put this one over here, which technically would complete the furnishing of my home office. There are other things that I'm gonna do, but you know how you get to a point where you're like satisfied? I will be more than satisfied once I get this put together and put over there, and I feel like it'll all essentially come together. This area I need to work on. I kind of need to work on that area, but for the most part, it'll have all of the big furniture pieces that I want. Okay, so that is everything that I've picked up recently. Well, everything that I can show you that's new. I just kind of picked it all up within a week, and I was able to do this haul. I have picked up other things as well, but a lot of those things have been hung and all kinds of stuff like that. But of course, I will share with you guys all of that, you know, at a later date as I'm sharing different rooms and stuff. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'll have everything that I possibly can linked down below in the description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.